Narayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So we are calculating the second example, right? So I will read it again. The radius of a circle is 6 centimeter. Find its circumference. Okay. No, we are on the first one. Okay, I'm sorry. The diameter of a circle is 5 centimeter. Find its circumference. So circumference is equal to 5 multiplied by 3.14, this 15.7 centimeter. Now the radius is given here. The radius of a circle is 6 centimeter. Find its circumference. So circumference is equal to diameter multiplied by 3.14. So what is diameter? So diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Okay, multiplied by 3.14. Right. So 2 multiplied by what is the radius? 6. So 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3.14. So we get 37.68 centimeter. Okay. Now next, third one. Find the diameter and radius of a circle with circumference 6.28 centimeter. So diameter is equal to circumference divided by 3.14. Okay. So 6.28 divided by 3.14, we get 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter is radius. We have to find also 2 it's not 0.5 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter diameter. So now we have to find the radius also. So 1 upon half, that means 1 half means we have to divide by 2. 1 upon 2 multiplied by diameter is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2. So it is 1 centimeter. Okay. Now let's solve the exercise 7.11. I think we have completed 7.10. Fine. We will start now 7.11. First of all, we see the definition and the formula. The circumference of a circle is perimeter of a circle. Okay. So in every case, circumference upon diameter is equal to 3.14 equal to 22 upon 7. Get it? Now find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is. Now circumference is 10. It's not circumference, it is the find the diameter is given. Okay, so 10 is the diameter and we have to find out the circumference. So first of all, we will write the formula. Circumference is equal to diameter multiplied by 3.14. Okay, so see here, diameter is given in 10th multiple, so I have taken here 3.14. Okay, if it is in 7th multiple, you can take 22 upon 7. Get it? So C for circumference. C is equal to D multiplied by 3.14. So D is 10. 10 multiplied by 3.14, it is 31.4 centimeter. Okay. Next. Now D is 5.5. Okay, so circumference is equal to D multiplied by 3.14. So 5.5 multiplied by 3.14, we get 17.27 centimeter. Okay. Now next, third, 7 upon 22 centimeter. So C is equal to D multiplied by 22 upon 7. So D is 7 upon 22, right? Na? So C is equal to, see here it is in the 7th multiple. So instead of taking 3.14, I have taken here 22 upon 7. So it is easy. 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7 and 22 on the 22, 22 on the 22. So circumference is 1 centimeter. Get it? Now next, fourth one. 3.5 centimeter. So it is D for diameter, right? So circumference is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 3.5. So is it equal to 10.99 centimeter. Get it? So we will see the next. If the radius given, we have calculated now. If the diameter is given, then how can we calculate the circumference? Now if the radius is given, so how can we calculate the circumference? So let's see. R is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. So 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 2.1. Okay. So 7 1 the 7, 7 3 the 21 and here 0.3. So 2 multiplied by 22 we get 44 and 0.3. So it is 13.2 centimeter. Okay. Now next see. It is in 20, right? So it is in the tens multiple. So I have taken here 3.14. C is equal to r for radius. Okay, 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r 20 है ना? So 20 multiplied by 2 we get 40 because it is easier to multiply na. That's why I have taken here. And when we multiply 40 by 3.14 we get 125.60 centimeter. Get it? So let's take the next. Circumference is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 5. So 5 2s are 10. 10 multiplied by 3.14 we get 31.4 meter. Okay. Now fourth. So radius is given 7.7 centimeter. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7.7. So here 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7, decimal 7 1 the 7. So it is 22 multiplied by 2 we get 44 and here 1.1. Okay. So when we multiply 44 by 1.1 we get 48.4 centimeter, right? Don't forget the unit. Okay. Now find the radius if the find the radius of a circle whose circumference is given. Now here we have given the circumference and we have to calculate the radius. So C is equal to 15.4, 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 and we have to calculate r for radius. So see here 22 into 2 we get 44. So 44 upon 7. Okay. So 15.4. Now here 44 upon 7 is multiplied to radius. So if we take it on the opposite side it becomes divided. Okay. So 15.4 divided by 44 upon 7. Now we study in the fraction chapter, that is division means multiplication with the reciprocal, right? So 15 upon 4 multiplied by 7 upon 44. Everyone understand how it is? This is division. Now we convert it into multiplication and we have to take the reciprocal of this fraction. That is 44 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 44. Get it? Okay. Now see division for 11 4 the 44 and here 11 1 the 11 decimal 11 4 the 44. Okay. So 1.4 multiplied by 7 divided by 4. So 9.8 divided by 4. So it is 2.45 centimeter. Get it? Now next 3.14 centimeter. 3.14 centimeter is the circumference given and we have to calculate the radius. So C is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r. So see here 3.14 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r. Now r for radius. So radius is equal to 3.14 divided by 3.14 upon 2. Okay, so it is cut 3.14 divided by 3.14 1 and here 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means 0.5 centimeter. Okay, fine. Next third one. 4.4 centimeter. So C for circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. Okay. So C 4.4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. Okay. So 40 these two will be here divided and this 22 upon 7 will be divided. So I have directly multiply it by taking the reciprocal of a fraction. Okay. So 4.4 divided by 2 multiplied by 7 upon 22. So 11 22 1 the 22, 2 2 the 40.